is going on, everybody? It is Bennett with Skyway Equipment. Today is February 9th, 2024, and I know you're wondering, why is he standing with a bunch of excavators? Well, this morning I had a meeting with the guys down here at Linder's Turf and Tractor about possibly linking up and start renting out equipment together. They aren't doing a whole bunch of rentals right now. They have a few machines that they rent, but for the most part, they're just doing sales, and they see the importance of renting equipment and selling equipment. They kind of go hand to hand. Customers are able to see the machines, use them, see how they work, and when they're super impressed, they know who to buy them from. So we're hoping that we're going to be able to work something out, start working together, and start renting some of these orange boys out. So we just finished up the meeting. I'm going to walk around, show you guys some equipment, get the drone up, get some cool shots, and yeah, we'll talk soon. So I know I touched on this before, and one of our biggest regrets are getting all glass machines. As a rental company, you don't need that. The people don't really care too much. You know, I get it, we're in Florida, it's hot, but if I could go back in time, this would be the biggest thing I would change, is just getting something open station and simple. It's been a few years since I've been in Kubota, and I can tell you that I'm very impressed with the quality of how everything is. It's very simple, very easy to use. There's not a lot of buttons. And it's really just a key, throttle, and you got your controls for the machine. So nothing crazy, very simple, and as from a rental aspect, that is the most important thing. I'm sure the other rental guys that watch our videos can kind of agree with me on this. The more complex and difficult the machine is to use, the more phone calls and frustration you receive. Obviously, you need to do a good job explaining how the equipment runs to your customer, but there's some people that just completely forget what you say. So having a really basic, easy to use machine, super important. So it is really pretty cool how Kubota uses all Kubota stuff. You know, I know my Bobcat MT100 uses a Kubota engine. The Nifty Lifts use a Kubota engine. So obviously, you know, these big manufacturers are trusting these machines and their engines. All right, guys, so I just finished up a quick meeting with the guys over here at Linder's Turf and Tractor. We were just talking about, you know, possibly working together, doing some equipment rental and stuff like that, meet everybody and put names to faces and, you know, hopefully work something out. So this is one of the U55-5 machines. I know I've touched on this before, but being able to open up these machines and get in there to access everything is super important. When it's time to fill the hydraulic fluid, change the battery, just do basic service, you know, you have access to everything. So these are really clean machines. They have a really nice little touchscreen display here. They are, some of them I guess are keyless start. Other ones have keys, but they're also keyless start. This one's got radio. They have backup cameras, which is pretty nice on these little excavators. Got a decent little blade. So I'm back in St. Pete now. I have a meeting to get to in exactly an hour. I just want to take a quick second to thank Linder's Turf and Tractor. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to come down today, chat with you guys, get to know you guys, and just share a little bit about who and what Skyway Equipment is. We're hoping that we're going to be able to work something out, to be able to rent some equipment out for them. And yeah, it's just a great opportunity. So we're hoping that we're going to figure something out and make sure that everybody's happy and the deal works for all of us. Jeff, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to show me around, show me the equipment, and just being super knowledgeable about the products that you're selling. So I'm going to put the information to Linder's Turf and Tractor and Jeff's contact information down below. If you are in the Tampa Bay, St. Pete, Sarasota, Bradenton area, you're looking to buy, whether it's an excavator, a skid steer, a mini skid steer, a Kubota tractor, a lawnmower, whatever it is Kubota-wise, give them a call. They're definitely going to take care of you. They're super nice people. Everybody I met today was just awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to see you in the next. James and I are getting ready to go to New Orleans to the ARA trade show. So we're looking forward to seeing all that. It's going to be our first time going. If you watch the video and you're at the ARA show, keep an eye out for us. We'd love to meet up with you guys and just kind of chat about the equipment industry. We would love to just make some connections and see where things go. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. We'll see you in the next one. Also, give Ryan some love for all the awesome videos he's been making for us. So we'll see you guys in the next one.